Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to customize your Shopify store's menu? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add, edit, reorder, and even link pages and collections in your Shopify navigation menu, all in just a few minutes. First of all, log into your Shopify admin from your dashboard. From your dashboard, click on Online Store. On the left, then choose navigation. Here you will see your existing menu typically. Then click themes, customize. Let's say you want to add a new page like an about us or a contact page to your main menu. Click on main menu. Then search for menu or contact form. Name it field, type the label you want like about or shop all. Then in the link field, choose where it should go, either to a product collection page or custom link. If you haven't created the page yet, you can link it later or type placeholder like hashtag. To change the order, just drag and drop the menu items into the position you want. This controls the order they show up on your storefront's navigation bar. Want a drop down under shop? Here's how. First of all, add a top level item called shop. Just like we did earlier. Then drag other menu. Then drag other menu item slightly to the right underneath it, like clothing, accessories, or new arrivals. Shopify will turn those into sub-menu items that drop down when visitors hover over or click on shop. To edit a menu items, just click the pencil icon or buttons. You can change the name, update the link, or move it around. Like to remove an item, click the trash icon. Click the trash icon. Once you are done making changes, don't forget to save menu. At the top right, here are a few pro tips. Keep your menu simple. Stick to 5 to 7 main items maximum. Use clear short names: shop, about, blog, contact. Want to link to an external site or social media? Just use the web address option in the link field. So to see your changes live, click on Click online store, then view your store. Now hover over your menu, shop all, and drop downs, then buy it now. And that's how you add and edit menu items in Shopify. If this helped, leave a like, comment your questions below, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.